everyone, welcome to Sincerely Molly, where I share all the things I love and I sincerely hope you like it. I'm Molly, and today I'm going to be talking about my 2020 vision, but actually my eyesight. I've been overdue to get a new pair of glasses for quite some time now and have just been kind of waiting for the right pair. Honestly, the selection at my ophthalmologist doesn't thrill me. Mine are about 5 years old now and the lenses have scratches on them, which I know you can get repaired or replaced. Also, the screws keep coming loose even when I try to tighten them. Plus, they're from 2 prescriptions ago, so it's probably about time that I get a new pair. So that's where I'm at now. I've loved my glasses in terms of the style and the fit. They served me well, but time to retire them and have them be the backup pair. Like I had said, I've been striking out finding a pair that I like in store. I'm looking for a tortoiseshell pattern with rounder lenses and that are reasonably priced. So that's kind of why I'm switching my tune and trying to look online. So naturally, that's kind of why I'm looking at Warby Parker, because I just feel like their online presence has expanded massively. For those that don't know, Warby Parker is an eyeglasses, sunglasses, contacts company that has quite a few storefronts in big cities. But like I had said, they have a massive online presence and have really found that niche and have been running with it and doing pretty well with it. That's just from my perspective as a marketing graduate. They market themselves as having hassle-free try-ons for free, which from my experience thus far is true. They have a variety of styles and fits to boot, which is awesome. From narrow to average to wide width faces. They even have glasses that are catered towards people that have low bridge noses. So I think that's awesome that they really have diversified their product line to fit different face shapes. And the cherry on top, I think, is that they donate a pair of glasses to someone in need each time you buy a pair from them. So on their website, you can take an 8-question quiz that will then cater products to you based on your preferences. Of those options, you can pick 5 for them to send to you in a little try-on box. You have 5 days to then try them on, get a feel for them, show them off, and decide which ones you like, if any at all. And once you're done, you mail them back with the slip that they put in the box. Easy peasy. I will say I did end up getting 2 try-on boxes back to back. So the first time around, I did select the average width size, but I found some of the glasses to be a little bit tight. They were on the smaller side, while others fit perfectly fine. I noticed specifically the rounder ones were kind of disproportionately small on my face, and it kind of gave me Harry Potter vibes, which is not what I'm going for. Plus, I'm just looking for like the oversized look anyway. I wish I had footage to show you guys. It was so weird looking. So yeah, that was kind of a bit disappointing, just considering some of the glasses fit well, and then the ones that I wanted to like didn't fit, so tragic. Anytime I go to a store and try on glasses in a display, they fit fine, even if I don't like the style, but like, you know, it's not tight or anything. So yeah, I don't really know what's going on with their sizing, but just be forewarned, I found that the rounder ones tended to run on the smaller side. One pair from the first box, I believe it was the welty pair. I did really like the fit of them, but I found them to be a little too rectangular for what I was looking for, and since I wasn't 100%, I decided not to buy them. So they were all sent back. I didn't make any orders. So after I sent that one back, since you can only have 1 try-on box at a time, I decided to take a shot in the dark and order some of the wider ones. I did find the selection for the tortoiseshell ones in the wide width to be somewhat limited, but I did end up finding 5 that I want to try on, and that's what I'm doing now. Fingers crossed that I find a pair. Unboxing. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and try them on, talk through my first impressions, and hopefully there'll be a winner in this box. First up, I have the welty ones, and they are wide. Again, the average medium size fit me well, so I'll be curious to see if these are oversized or not. So this is what they look like. They're rectangular with rounded edges. Is that a thing? Am I doing this right? I think it focused. Look at me go. I look like a real YouTuber. So let's try these suckers on. Okay. My eyelashes keep hitting the lenses. Does anyone else have that problem? These are similar to the medium-sized ones, actually. I guess the lenses look more oversized. They're comfortable. These welty ones are maybe, I would say. Next up, I have the Percy glasses in striped sassafras. I'm actually really excited about these ones because they are round. Here they are. Ooh. This is a look. Sorry, I'm looking at my viewfinder. So what I like about these, other than the obvious fact that they are round, and that's kind of what I'm looking for, is that I like the lighter tones that are in the frame. These are nice. I like where it lays on my nose too. It doesn't feel like it would slide down or anything. Like it seems pretty set there, which is always nice. If anyone else has glasses, then you know how annoying that is when it keeps slipping down your nose. But I will say I like how like the nose, like the bridge is set, and like the width feels very comfortable. They're not tight at all. But again, they're not too loose either. I will say that I'm very impressed by the weight and like the quality of this material. Warby Parker has pretty fair prices, so it's always nice to see a brand that has what seems to be a good quality product at a fair price. These are my top choice at this point. Next I have Gilbert and Whiskey Tortoise. I like the names of these. Oh no. These feel too loose. They definitely feel too wide. This is a no. I feel like that was so quick. I was like, no way. This is the Durand pair. They are rounder lenses. Let's try it on. These are nice. I like the size of the lenses compared to my face. The width feels good as well. Again, it sits up nicely on my nose and I feel like it wouldn't slide down. I'm still kind of leaning towards having the mix of the light and dark tones. You still have a bit of like the light tones on this because it is a tortoiseshell pattern, but I liked the more contrasting ones. These are number 2 behind the Percy ones. We'll see how I feel. The last pair are the Benson glasses. These are, I'd say, similar to the Welty ones, where they are more squared, rectangular, but still with the rounded edges. Here's another close-up. Yeah. I'm getting the same impression as the Gilbert ones. I mean, if you're looking for a more squared lens and frame, I'd say these are really nice, very solid. It's not really something I'm looking for since I want the rounder lens and I don't want it to be so blocky on my face. So these are a no. Alright, at this point I'm kind of undecided between the Durand ones and the Percy ones. I think these ones are slightly bigger, like the frame. But again, like I said, I like the contrasting colors with this one. So I have to think on this, but I think I will have a winner from this box, and that means I will be buying a pair at some point. Let me know which pair you like the best. So far, I'm pretty impressed by Warby Parker. I feel like the quality really is exceptional and they do it at a reasonable price. I think most, if not all, of the glasses start at $95, which for those that wear glasses or have bought them in the past, then you know how expensive they are. Like $95 for a pair of glasses is pretty inexpensive, especially considering how stylish they are, and of course they will adjust it to your prescription, which I think will probably be an added cost just for the lenses themselves. I can't imagine it would jump up the price to over $300 like any other pair of glasses. Like say if you go to an eye doctor, you're lucky if you can find a pair of glasses for around 300 bucks. It tends to be more expensive than that. From what I gather, it seems like insurance coverage is somewhat spotty with this brand. They do offer a payment method with Affirm, so if you're in need of that option, you can pay in increments. Again, Warby Parker does their buy one, give one campaign, which of course is wonderful. One of their little taglines on their site is good eyewear, good outcomes, and you can read all about how they're accomplishing that on their website. But yeah, time for me to send these back and make a decision, buy a pair online, submit my prescription, and hopefully get a new pair of glasses soon. So they arrived and I almost returned them. Originally, I thought the prescription was wrong after wearing them for a week and experiencing headaches, which is never a good thing. Turns out they are correct based on my ophthalmologist confirming the prescription strength, and I just have to get used to them. Also, they kept sliding down my face, which is annoying as heck, but it's because the temples/sides that hook behind the ear just needed to be adjusted to fit me. So it's corrected and all is well. I probably should have read this little brochure. Yeah, might have been helpful. If you are interested in trying this brand, I hope that you found this video to be helpful. And if you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.